Anyways, got a big day ahead. Gotta get to it. Gotta get to it. And as well as today's Thanksgiving, so we might have a little feast or something. And then if time allows, drive a little bit west. And then I gotta get on with my day. I feel like that's a sight you don't see every day. Walmart parking lot, completely empty. It is Thanksgiving Day. Just had this realization. I can put my water in the fridge right now because so much space right now. It's so exciting. I haven't had cold water in a minute. Oh yeah. And I think I found a good temperature for the fridge so that stuff doesn't freeze. 39 degrees. Has been good. All my vegetables were getting frozen, and you know how when you freeze a plant, the cell wall ruptures, and then once you get it thawed out, it's soggy. At least I think that's what happens. Ruins the whole concept of fresh vegetables. Sandal broke again. Needs more E6000. Alright, that's gotta sit for like a day. I'm sad, but cheers. Water. Just got water right there. We belong here too, kind of. Off we go. The Thanksgiving walk. Check what we just found out. Remember those? American beautyberry. Also called the French mulberry. It's the native plant spotlight of the beauty berries. These ones look ripe and juicy. Oh, there's a huge bush. Swamp. More like jungle. Turkey tail. That's literally a turkey tail. Look at how perfect that turkey tail is. It's Thanksgiving and it's a turkey tail. Check out this thicky. That's a monster. It's probably like 7 feet wide. Magic tree house. Oh. Definitely jungle. I think those are called palmettos. I think. Daisies. Right? Shout out to the bee. It's starting to get spooky. Now I'm starting to see why it's called metal loop. Oh, I've been walking through so many spider webs. Oh, butterfly, lead me to victory. Easily scariest spider I've ever seen. Probably the biggest spider I've ever seen. Oh my goodness. Look at this dude. Now it's raining. It's okay, I can handle the rain. Like, I saw... I gotta go. It's almost like 5 inches. $81. Oh. Made it back just in time. Whoa. Oh, looking good. Ooh. Alright, taste test. Whoa. Louisiana. I think those are frogs. Where they at though? At this park, about to make some lunch. Happy Thanksgiving. Guess what? We're about to ball. We're about to ball. Time for lunch and dinner. Yeah, boy. Big lentil soup. Oh, damn, it's thick. This barely fits. Alright, that fits. Mostly. Pepper. Table. Oregano. Ooh, spice. Maybe garlic. That's it though. Whew. I like my spoon so far. Censored. Super provocative. Come on. There we go. Bye, tennis wall. I love you. Beans. I'm sick of beans. Shut up and eat your beans. Well, I'm sick of beans. Eat your beans. Need a bite. Ooh. Here we go. For the beans, it's worth it. You heard me. Beans. Scotty. Slap your mama. Sour cream. Bye.